Hey guys, this is 8249. Welcome to my channel, and this is a part 2 of HTML coding. So, if you've not watched the previous video, go ahead and watch it because you might not understand a lot of things in this video if you have not watched the previous one. So, last time we created a new website with a title, a new website, and we gave it a heading, this is a website, and a paragraph, a picture, I changed the picture, and a link. So let's see how it looks right now. So it looks weird. But before getting into CSS, let me tell you about some more things. So now you're like, okay, I want to write a big paragraph, but I don't want it to go like long and long and long. I want it to be on the next line. So if I've written all this, then I can do break br. That's it. Slash. You can also do this, and then you can write the next one. So I use br. That's, oh, what did I write? That's so cool. Cool, right? Let's save this, Control S, and then do this. See? And if you think I've done something else, but if I write before this, it will be displayed on the first one, on the first line. So I can write, well, good, 80. Okay, Control S, and open this. See? Nice. So this is a new feature that you can use, BR, which is used to break the sentence and put it in the next line. Okay, next thing is HR, horizontal dash. So here, if you want a line going through the before the picture, you can just do HR. See, here is here HR, and then HR here, and then one HR here if you want, or see, now we have two lines going through, and it is separating Pepsi and this picture. So well, if you're thinking you can, it's easy. Well, it is. You can just put that there, and then check this out. Now we have a line going through every single thing. Well, let me try one thing. Can we do this? Can we put a line between two sentences? Well, let's check this out. Let's see. Control S. Moment of truth. Wow. So, is that easy? Then we don't want this line. Alright. We don't want this line. Alright, no problem. Just reload. All of it is gone. So that's it. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. div, divs. So divs are actually known as divisions, but in the short form they are known as divs. So if we don't want this closing tag here, so we can just put this here. So like this. So all of this is now in one div. Well, let's see if it does make some difference. So well, you might not see it, but the div is there all around, because right now the div does not have any color. If we want to specify this div as something like, you can specify divs with two things. ID, well, you can specify divs with IDs. IDs are like divs names. So like you and me and everyone has a name, right? So we can name it as name. But when we think of classes, it is like what can I say? Name is like individuals, and classes are like a group, I can say, like some kind of religion. Yeah, they are like that. Let's give this one an ID. Let's call it container. Okay, container, nice name. Instead, we can put this as a class. So this all comes in this container. So let's save this. Comment down below if you understood the meaning of class and ID. So, and in like school, we all had like divisions A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it's blah, 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 all of that. So it's like that. So here the classes, see, you can say something like that to make you understand better. And here you can see div.container. And if we change this to ID, let's see, ID, see, hashtag. So this is the name, and this is the class dot container. So it's basically two different things. Right now it isn't affecting anything, but now we are going to go into CSS. So what you have to do now is create a new file, select the language as CSS, here we have it, CSS, and then just do anything or anything you want to type. Just write simple thing like Q, and then select all files, then name this as style, or you can just name it as new style or new st. So new style dot CSS. So you can use this name and then just save it. Don't forget to put .css, and then just delete whatever weird thing you've written. And now what we can do is we can type body. You don't need to put any hashtag or anything, just body, and then these curly brackets. Let's set the margin. Let's set the width to 1000 pixels. 1000 pixels. You can just give a space between them. You can change the background color. Background. So in this background color or only background, it doesn't matter. But if you write background color, this gives you like this whole menu kind of where you can choose. So I have a background. Let's check it out. If it turns out it's good, if it turns out good, alright, or let it be. So as you can see here, it doesn't look good. So in this editor, we can choose the color that we want. This is an incredible feature. I like this feature. You can change this to RGB and whatever. And yeah, in CSS files, don't forget to put this semicolon in the ending. So let's see if it is working. Then reload. So you might be scared. Hey man, why isn't it working? That's because we haven't linked this file with this file. So to do that, just write link. Oh, sorry, I wrote Nick or whatever. Link REO related is equal to text slash. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I forgot to write style sheet. Style sheet. So it is related to style sheet, and type is equal to text slash CSS. Cool. And then href is equal to new style.css. New style.css. So let's check. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. So it's a self-closing tag, then Control S, and then let's check our website now. Wow, cool. So it turned into the color that I wanted, and the width is does not seem to be changed. Oh, that's because the width from here to here is 1000 pixels, but we want it from both the sides. We can do that by putting margin left. Sorry. Auto. Alright. And margin right. right auto. Simple. And then save this, and then see, equal spacing. Cool. Now, you don't want this underline, do you? Well, I don't. So, what you can do now is in a body, yeah, text decoration is set to none. But that might affect, oh, it did not affect because it is A. So we need to put this one inside A. So text decoration set to none. Control S, and then see? Now we can also change the color of the text. And what about making all the text standard? Right now, I don't think this looks good. I mean, everything is to the left and nothing to the right. Yeah, I don't think it's good. So, in here, we can put text align center. Control S, and then, wow, now everything, including the picture, is centered. See? Even the link. Wow. Now, what do we want next? I think changing the color. Color set to, okay, let's see. What about black? Nah, just joking. Uh, I think dark magenta. Let's do Control S and then see. Oh wow! Now this is set to dark magenta. If you want something like round around this text, we can do that by setting border radius to, let's say, 100 pixels. Let's see, how much is that? Okay. 100 pixels is not good, it seems. Let's try 4. Control S and... oh, well, it did not work. No problem. We'll check this part in the next one. So what else do you want now? So right now you've got a good website going. I know what you want. It's font family. You want a good font, right? So let's say Lucida Sans. I don't know these fonts, but okay. Let's see. Oh man, this does not look nice. Let's just cut all of this. Oh man. Let's just put Helvetica. Arial Helvetica sensor. Control S, let's see. That's good. And let me tell you, you just want to change the paragraph color. Just do this P, and you want to change the color. Then let's say dark red. Color choice is equal to 0. Not good color choice. Then that's not so good, but okay. You can choose anything. And let me tell you about one website that I just found on the internet about HTML color codes. So this is a good website where you can find any color that you want for free. Yeah, for free. So I can just do this, yeah, and then randomly pick a color. I don't know why this is not showing it properly. I think because of this ad. I don't know. But this is a good website. You can use this totally free. So I'm not advertising anything. Bleh. So this was the basic CSS that you can use in a website. We'll see the rest in the next. Goodbye. Bye bye.